Example 5, we have 2 minus the quantity 4a plus 7 equals 3 plus 2 times the quantity a plus 2. As long as we have parentheses, we have to simplify it. So we can get rid of that. Now we have 2 minus the quantity 4a plus 7. Getting rid of the parentheses means we have to apply your negative sign. So what will happen to your sign here? If you distribute the negative, all right? So this is minus. You can actually treat that as a negative to change your sign. Negative times 4a, well, that turns out to be negative 4a, right? How about this? Negative times 7, we have negative 7. It's applying your minus sign means you change the signs, all right? So from positive to negative, from positive to negative. So now we got rid of your parentheses. So whenever you have minus, you change the signs of all terms enclosed with parentheses. Remember your copy change rule. Okay, now we have 3 here. We need to get rid of the parentheses here also. Please do not add 3 and 2. You cannot do that. This 3 plus 2 is not allowed. It's not correct. Because we have the order of operations. What comes first, multiplication or addition? You have to add, you have to multiply first before you multiply. Okay, so we cannot add 3 and 2, but now we multiply 2 by a and then 2 by 2, giving us plus 2a plus 4. Okay, so we have 2 minus 4a minus 7. You have 3 plus 2a plus 4. Notice there are 3 terms. We need to combine like terms. Combining like terms means we rearrange. So we have negative 4a. We can now put positive 2 plus 2 minus 7. We have 2a here. We can now combine 3, 4. That's 3 plus 4. Now what's this? What's this? We have negative 4a. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. We have negative 5. All right, you can do that separately if you want. That's 2 minus 7. Copy, change, 2 copied, minus, change to plus, 7 change to negative 7. Different sign, subtract. 7 minus 2, 5. But of course, 7 is bigger than 2. That means we take the sign negative. And now we have 2a, right side. 3 plus 4, both positive. Okay, positive 7. After simplifying left and right, after combining left and right, we now get your a's to the left and the constant terms to the right. So this 2a should go here, and then this negative 5 should go there by applying your addition property of equality. So let's get rid of 2a. Positive 2a, opposite of that, negative 2a. Whatever you do on your right, do it in your left. So you have minus 2a here, also minus 2a there, but make sure you align like terms. And negative 5 is not supposed to be on the left. You must get negative 5 to the right. And we do the opposite. What's the opposite of negative 5? Positive 5. So we do plus 5 here, plus 5. Combining like terms now. You have negative 4a minus 2a. That's the same as negative 4a plus negative 2. All right, so negative 4a, negative 4 plus negative 2, we have negative 6a. 0, 0, and 7 plus 5 is 12. And divide both sides by -6. We got a, which is equal to -2. You have 9 times the quantity b minus 1 equals 6 times the quantity n plus 2 minus n. We can use distributive property here again. 9 times b, we have 9b. 9 times -1, we have -9 equals the same here, 6 times n. 6n, 6 times 2, that's positive 12 minus n. Let's see if we can combine like terms. For 9b minus 9, nothing to combine. For 6n plus 12 minus n, we can combine 6n minus n. All right, so what is 6n minus n? What is that? Okay, you have 9b minus 9. You can combine 6n minus n. That's plus 12, but what's 6n? You have 6n, remove 1n. How many n left? 5n. Okay, you have 5n because 6 minus 1 is 5. 5n plus 12, we have 9. Oh, wait, something is wrong here. It cannot be different variables. All right, let me check this. This one should not be b, it should be n. All right, so sorry about that. That's a typo error. That should not be p, it should be n. All right, so 9n, n, n. Unless, well, we cannot solve. We have two variables for math 86, but of course we have that in another level. Right, we have 9n minus 9. Please do check that change b to n. It's not b, but it's n. So we have 9n minus 9 on the left. Right, you have 5n plus 12. Now we do what we usually do, and that is to get n to the left and then get constants, get your constant terms to the right. Are you ready? Okay, so what shall we do here now? 5n, it's minus 5n. If you want to combine like terms, we have to get your n to the right. So minus 5n. How about your 9? -9? Let's bring that to the right side. So we do plus 9, plus 9. We perform the operation. Of course, this is 0, 0. 9 minus 5 for the n, 4. 12 plus 9, you have 21. 21. Dividing both sides by 4, our answer will be a fraction. Okay, 21 over 4. You cannot divide it, but you can make a mix. And so let's divide this. 21 divided by 4. We have 5. Okay, 5 times 4, 20. 21 minus 20, we have 1. So we have 5 and 1, 4. This one goes on the numerator and 4 is your denominator. So we have n, which is 21 over 4, or 5 and 1/4.